Hey everyone, Marvin here from Reamaze, and welcome to 2016 officially. So we haven't put out a video in a while. I was recovering from some surgery, so I haven't had a chance to make a video. But now that we're back and fully into 2016, I do want to, start off the year with a video and show you guys how to integrate Reamaze with Bigcommerce. And if you use Bigcommerce, you're likely very familiar with the platform already. And we just want to make sure we show you the step-by-step process of how to get Reamaze integrated and getting the widgets onto your store. Now, we already put out a video a while back on Shopify, and it's pretty similar. If you have a Reamaze account handy, that will expedite things a little. So as you can see here, I created a test store. This is my dashboard here in Bigcommerce right now. And this is my test Reamaze account. So we're going to start everything fresh. So the first thing you want to do is probably easiest is if you log into your Reamaze account. Okay, and then we're going to go over back into Bigcommerce, go to apps, and I've already searched for Reamaze. So go ahead and let's get that installed. So it's requesting access to your Bigcommerce store. Go ahead and click confirm. Give it a moment to install. And here we go. So it says, congratulations, Reamaze is now installed for your store. What's next? Add the Reamaze widget to your storefront by dropping the following code between the head tags and the HTML head.html panel of your store's theme. So let's go ahead and just copy this just in case. Okay. So now that you have the app installed, when you click on apps, you'll have access to your Reamaze dashboard. So you no longer have to log into Reamaze on a separate tab. So you'll have Reamaze embedded into your Bigcommerce dashboard. So if we go to dashboard, now let's view our store. Make sure we get that store open. Okay. Now this is the basic template that the store launches in. So we're going to go to settings, and we're going to go to next we're going to go to design. So under store setup, go to design. Okay, give it a second to load, and you'll see this edit HTML/CSS button. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to open in a new tab. So in the instructions, it's set to go to the panels and then HTML head.html. Okay, so let's just scroll to the bottom here just to be safe. One more, and paste in whatever we just copied. Okay, so this is the script, and it has the Reamaze widget, and widget equals true. And let's go ahead and save that. Okay, now let's check our store. So the basic install, that was it. That was really, really simple, right? So we just pasted that one line of JavaScript snippet into your HTML file. And what this gives you is the basic Shoutbox. Okay, it's name, email, the contact form content. They can attach a file, they can click send. And since we have the trial account open right now, there it is, you can actually turn on live chat. Okay, and if we refresh this, you'll see that we're available to chat. Okay, now what if you wanted to change this little button to be a little bit more native to the site? So I actually always like this green grass. So we're going to go to your Reamaze dashboard again. Now we're going to go to settings. Okay, and we're going to go to the widget builder. Okay, now we want a contact form. That's correct. We do want it loaded as a Reamaze Shoutbox, which is also correct. So we're going to click next. Okay, and I'm going to change it to chat bubbles, and I want it to say contact us now. Okay, we're going to change it to that nice green. If I can figure out what kind of green that is. Something like that? No, maybe a little lighter. That's close enough. Choose next. You can make it a little bigger if you want, but I actually like this size. We've experimented a lot with the size of the trigger, and this seems to be pretty good. Next. Okay, now you can add in some custom form fields. Okay, so the default is name, email, but I always like a good drop down. You know, we can call it happiness level. I like to use this as an example because it always ties in well with our workflows feature. So it's going to be a drop down, and the values are going to be super happy, very happy, sad, angry. Okay, and we're going to click next. Now, earlier what we pasted was this. Okay, and since that's already there, all we really need is the remainder here. Okay, so this section, this section here is what you see here, right? So we don't need that again. So let's go ahead and click enter, and we're gonna copy just this stuff down here, this new stuff. And we're gonna paste it right beneath that. Click save again. Now let's go ahead and refresh our store. And there it is. So now we've changed that trigger into a nice green grass colored one. Now you can make this even a little bit more native by changing the color of this section here. So what we're going to do is, let's close out of that. Let's go to our Reamaze account again. Now, because that part is actually not tied into the widget, it's actually under brands. So that's your branding identity. The way you think about it is, well, this is my brand color, not the trigger's color. So you're going to go to brands, you're going to click on your brand, okay, and then you're just going to change the Reamaze.js pop-up settings, okay. Now you see the header background color right now is gray, and what you see here is also gray, correct? So, oh, I guess I should have, oops, sorry about that, that was my phone. Let's see if we can get to the same green color. Let's mute that sucker. All right, green. Not a color guru, but I think that's as good as I can get it. Now the white font on green, I think that'll look nice. All right, let's update our brand. Okay, so once you update it here, the script, the JavaScript doesn't, you don't need to replace anything here. Everything will work automatically. So let's go ahead and just click refresh here. Now you see this is still green, okay? And boom. Oh, did we get that right on? I think it's a little brighter than the other one, but close enough for me. So you can do name, Marvin Strauss. Okay, my email is marvin@reamaze.com. Happiness level, super happy. What is up? Oh, let's turn off live chat actually, so I can just send it as a message. Turn that off. Refresh it. All right, Marvin at reamaze.com. Oops. Happiness level, super happy. What is up? All right, we're going to send it. Okay, so now thanks, your message has been sent. Since we're online to chat, it's going to send as an email message or a widget conversation. So that's going to come into here, right? Watch, see what is up. And you can see that the custom form field is here, happiness level is here, customer data attributes. If you turn that on, that's customer experience guru at Reamaze. So that's the basics. Oh, and I was going to show you what we could do with widgets, right? There's a separate tutorial on this, but since we're here, I might as well show you. You can go to workflows. Okay, you're going to create a new workflow and call it happiness level. And we want to trigger this workflow automatically when where to go? A conversation custom form field. Field name was happiness level, right? Contains super happy. Now, every time someone chooses that drop-down menu, it says super happy. You can, run the workflow as demo central or another staff agent and automatically have it do something. So we're going to tag the conversation as happy people. Okay, you're going to click create. So this workflow has been created. So every time someone chooses happiness level, it's going to tag it, and it's going to add the tag right here underneath this one. So just by seeing that, you realize that there are infinite possibilities for what you can do with Reamaze. And quite frankly, the integration process was pretty simple, right? Signing up for a Bigcommerce account, signing up for a Reamaze account, installing the Reamaze app, and then just editing some very, very basic HTML. And we even provide you with all the more difficult parts, right? Which is the code, and you just need to paste it, right? And it's that simple. So that's it for Bigcommerce. Definitely let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to seeing you on Reamaze. And happy 2016, and ping us.